Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon Onyango, and in this video I want to take you through the steps to getting started with Forsage. So in the last video I made about Forsage, I just told you what it is. It was basically much more about what it is, what Forsage is and how it works. So in this video I want to share with you how you can get started right now and start making money. Before we get started, I wanted to make an announcement. I've been having a burnout for few weeks. I've not been making videos, but I'm now back with full energy and motivation. Please consider subscribing and this video for the YouTube algorithm to start promoting it. And then I'll be making series of videos. I'll try and make videos every week, if not every day. So without wasting much time, let's get there and see how you can get started right now. Okay, so a few months ago I created a crowdfund, something of the sort, to try and raise money to buy a car. So I really wanted to buy this car this year. It was early this year, maybe March, April. So I really wanted to buy this vehicle, and I decided to put up a fundraiser, so that it's a crowdfunding kind of thing, so that it's go get funding. So you create a campaign and people fund your campaign. So you can see I created this thing more than 7 months ago. I have 5 people share it on Facebook. No one has for the past 7 months, no one has really contributed, not even a single person. So you can see this type of funding, crowdfunding. You put up your campaign, you discuss, you have to describe what you are really funding or doing the fundraiser for. And people will contribute after knowing what they are contributing to. Probably no one can contribute for you to buy a car. At the same time, whenever someone contributes to this, Go Get Funding will take 2% to 8% of it. It means I won't get the whole amount. So I want you to take this concept and bring it to Forsage. Forsage is a crowdfunding platform. Okay, so you can crowdfund, like people can fund your campaign, just like if you go to Go Get Fund, people can just contribute. They can say, let me contribute 10,000. And the good thing with Forsage is that when they contribute to your campaign, they are also opening their campaign. So it's something that is continuous. And then you remember the one that reactivates the other. So it's something that will be, you contribute once, yes, but it will be reoccurring. So you will be contributing to that other, for instance, if you contribute to my campaign, you will be contributing to it frequently, not just once, without having to do it manually again. The system will pick it and redo it. That's a good thing about Forsage. So let's look at Forsage, how to join. That's the main thing why we are here. So to join Forsage, you will first need to buy Ethereum. You need a wallet, Ethereum, and store them in your wallet, and this wallet should be able to support decentralized apps, which is also called the D apps. So I recommend, if you're using a computer, like I'm using a computer right now, I recommend you install the MetaMask wallet. I've been using it and really interesting. So the first thing is to download the wallet. Just go to your Google Chrome and search Chrome extensions, then you can see this. once you are in the web store, it looks hard, but it's really the simplest thing to do. Once you are in the Chrome store, just type MetaMask. You can see I already have my MetaMask wallet installed, so it will have been indicated here add to Chrome. But since I already have it, I don't have to. They don't have that option for me, so I can just rate it, which I'm not going. If you are installing it for the first time, please just consider add to Chrome, and it will add to Chrome. You can see mine is here. Currently, I don't know if I'm logged in or not, but that's my wallet. I'm not, so let me just you can see I have 0 bob. I changed this one to I changed my ETH to BTC. So what you can, after you have your wallet, go to your account. You need to create account. Now when you create account, you need to store, there's a key, it's called a mnemonic phrase, 12 words. You need to write them somewhere and store them. You write them on maybe a book or a paper or something and store it somewhere safe, because that's how you can recover your account in case it's lost, or you forget your password, or someone stole your computer. You need those 12 words. And then now go to accounts. You can see your accounts over there. That's my account. And then you go to buy. Then you, okay, this one will copy your URL, your address. That address is what you should go and buy ETH to. When you go to buy ETH anywhere, you can see, let me paste that thing here. You see that address? That is your wallet address. That's where they will send Ethereum to. So just go and get it there. And then after that, after you have this address, go to wherever you are buying from. If someone is sending you ETH, give them that address and they will send. Then after you've bought the whatever you bought, the Ethereums, you have them in your wallet, you will come here to registration. You don't even have to go here. I'll give you my link. Okay, so I'll give. So that was not my account. I don't have not earned that much. You can see how it goes. It asks you, it will pop up something like this to pay. Just approve the payment, okay? Just approve the payment and it will go. So you can see it's connected now, and I've logged in. So this is my account. You can see I should buy this one. If I don't buy this, then I will not earn. Meaning if I buy this today, then I'll earn some spillover. This notification here, it means my partner is ahead of me. She bought more, he or she bought more packages than me. But it's okay. So you can see I only have one person and I've earned 104 ETH. Now you can see I can set a goal. Now this goal is like the whatever I'm funding now. Let me set one. Like I wanted to buy a car the other side, so here I want to start a business. Myself. Oh, let me say business. You can see it's just like the other one. So I have a goal here, which is to get a business capital. So that's my goal. So someone will contribute to it. People will contribute to it. As they contribute to it, they are also getting to start theirs. So that's about Forsage. So I'll put my link on the description if you want to do it. That's how you sign up with the browser. You just get ETH on your wallet, download your MetaMask wallet, get the link, get the address, your Ethereum address, the receiving address. After you gotten the receiving address, you send Ethereum to it. After you send Ethereum to it and you have a balance here, you just go to this site, copy that link, paste it on the browser, the same browser with the MetaMask, and just like that you get started. Your phone right now and do it from my phone and see how to do it on phone. So let's meet on inside the phone. I'm going to show you how to sign up on Forsage using your mobile phone. So number one, what you need to do is download Trust Wallet Fund. This one here. Download it from Play Store. That is Trust Wallet. This is how it looks. Then after you've downloaded this, you will need to buy Ethereum app. So you go to your, if you go, it will bring you to somewhere like this. Now click on app, then click on receive. You will see that address. So that address you can click copy, or just click there, or just scan if you can. Send your Ethereum to your wallet. After you've had enough Ethereum on your wallet here, you now go to this. It's called D app. On D app, copy the referral link that I've listed below. Click on that link and paste it here. After you've copied it, you paste it here. That's an address I copied, but it will be a link to Forsage. Now from there, it should bring you to maybe a page like this one. Now I have two accounts. I have this one and the other one on my laptop, so that's why you see I'm already signed in. But once you paste it here, you will just be asked to authorize, connect, and then pay for the slots. That one you will pay 0.025 for the first slot and you are in. It's that easy on mobile phone, the same with the laptop. So just sign up and